Okay, I'm going to go over the Kool-Aid worksheet from today and get you the answers to that, so you should be ready for tomorrow's test. First one, you have this worksheet. I'm going to start filling in the chart on number 1, and then we can get going from here. Actually, we did this one in class. You have the answer. Let's skip to number 2. In number 2, it says if the 39% Kool-Aid concentration is cut in half to 19.5%, so we're going to have a 19.5 mixture, how much of this do we have to add to a 78% mixture to get a 52% mixture? Here's our concentrations, amounts, totals. Concentration, we fill it in 19.5, 78, 52. We said in that we want a certain amount of this, so the amount, let's just make that 100. Just kidding, let's make that 9, because that's what we did in the experiment today. So we'll make that 9, we'll make this x, we'll make this 9 minus x. Total 19.5x, 78 times 9 minus x, and 52 times 9. I'm going to go over here and solve that equation now. We have 19.5x plus 78 times 9 minus x equals 52 times 9. 19.5x plus distribute 78 times 9, I don't know, we'll figure that out. 2, 7, 63, 702. 702 minus 78x equals 52 times 9. 52 times 9, 18, 1, 45, 46, 468. That sounds about right. 468. Okay, combine like terms over here. 19.5x minus 78x. We got to figure out what that is. We also got to subtract the 702. So we'll do both of those things. 19.5 minus 78. I don't know, I can come work that over here. 78.0 minus 19.5. 8, 7, 10, 5 point, borrow, 6, 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 5, 58.5. Equals 468 minus 702. So we take the bigger number minus the smaller number. Keep the sign of the bigger number, so it's negative. Let's see, make that a 6, make that a 9, make that a 12, 4, 3, 2, 234. How many times does negative 58.5 go into negative 234? That looks like that's going to be about 4 times. Divided by negative 58.5. X equals 4. What was x? X was the amount of this guy, which is 4, which means that's 5. And we're good to go on that one. I'm going to skip down here to the next problem. You have some 20% Kool-Aid and some 70% Kool-Aid. How much of each should be used to make 150 liters of 30% Kool-Aid? Well, we can do this too. We're going to mix a 20 with a 70 to get a 30. Concentration, amount, total. Concentrations are easy. 20, 70, and 30. We just figured that out. Amounts, it told us we want 150 liters of this. So we make this one x, and this is 150 minus x. Multiply out 20x, 70 times 150 minus x, and 30 times 150. We go over here and solve that equation because you know what it should be now. So 20x plus 70 times 150 minus x equals 30 times 150. Go ahead and solve this. 20x plus 70 times 150 is 10500 minus 70x equals 30 times 150 is 4500. Combine like terms, negative 50x plus 10500 equals 4500. Subtract 10500 and we get negative 50x equals negative 6000 divided by negative 50, x equals 120. If I'm going too fast, you can always just rewind and look at this again and kind of slow it down so you can see it for yourself. X equals 120. What does that mean for me? That was the amount of the 20% solution. 150 minus 120 is 30, so that one's 30. Got one more problem to work out. Number 4. You're throwing a giant party and need 500 gallons of 52% Kool-Aid. So I need the 52% Kool-Aid. All you have is some 92% Kool-Aid. How much water should you add to bring the concentration to 52? Concentrations. Amounts, totals, hopefully we're getting the picture. That's what we do every time. Concentration of 92 is 92. Concentration of water is 0. Concentration of 52 is 52. Amounts, I want 500 gallons of this. I don't know how much gallons I want of this. This is 500 minus x then, because that just means what's left. Totals, 92x, 0 times 500 minus x, and 52 times 500. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go solve this thing now. Bring this over here, and I've got 92x, this is just from their worksheet, plus 0 times 500 minus x. If you're not sure where I'm getting the numbers from, just make sure you go back and look at the work we just did. It's right there, 52 times 500. There we go, all on the screen so we can see it. 0 times anything is 0. So all I have on this side is 92x. On this side I have 52 times 500, which is going to give me, I don't know, we can figure this out, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 0, 25, 0, 0, 0, 26,000. 26,000. See how many times 92 goes into 26,000. I don't know if it'll go in evenly or not. X equals, let's see, I gotta actually divide this now, 92 into 26000. 92 goes into 260, let's see, once, twice is 184. I think it's only gonna go twice. 184, subtract 1, 5, 10, 6. Let's see, that was a 5, so we borrowed that. Borrow that, 15 is 7, 56. Bring down another 0. 92 goes into 760, I'm going to guess 7 times. No, 8 times. 7 times. 14, 1, 63, 64. It is going to be 8 times. 6, 13, 736. So 8 times 736. Subtract 6, 5, 4, 2, 240. It's only going to go in twice again. Twice. 184. Subtract 3, 10, 6, 1, 13 minus 8 is 56. See if 92 goes into 560. And we can keep going, but it's going to be 282 point something. So we're going to come over here and figure out x equals 282 point something. I don't care what that is really. So come over here, what was x? Is this one 282 point something? So how much water should you add? Well, here's the water right here. It's 500 minus this x number. 500 minus 282 is going to be 228 about. 218, sorry, 218 about. So the answer to that one is about 218. And we rounded that. So it's really close to there. You can figure it out on your own with a calculator. Don't forget, test tomorrow on mixture problems.